count. Candidate number 1, Bayabungan Makro from BP phone 1036-1036. Candidate number 2, Charles Marner from INC phone 2400.
Good job!
From HSBC phone 905 votes 905. The largest person from BJP phone 185. First version of candidate number 5 from PJF phone 43 votes for
Rajarta mo to.
candidate number 6, Caroline Dorkan from PFC phone 82 votes, 82. Candidate number 7, Shukran Lingo from NTP phone 1,297 votes, 97. Candidate number 8, Osman Nirunja from Independent phone 26 votes and Nota phone 31 votes. Ladies and gentlemen, after the program of integrated report, the leading candidate from 8 Party Assembly constituency is Shri Charles Marner.